Welcome to this serene evening journey, helping your body and mind unwind gracefully while preparing you for a deep, restorative sleep. The first step in preparing for sleep is your environment. Dim the lights or draw curtains to create a soft, calming atmosphere. Adjust the room temperature to a comfortable level, ideally between 18 and 21 degrees Celsius, so your body can relax naturally. If you enjoy gentle sound, play soft ambient music, rainfall, or ocean waves at a low volume. Remove electronic devices or notifications that might distract your mind. If you have essential oils, diffuse a small amount of lavender, chamomile, or sandalwood, as these scents gently signal your brain that it is time to unwind. Sit quietly for a few moments and notice how your body begins to respond to this peaceful setting. Now focus on your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold for 1, and exhale gently through your mouth for a count of 6. Let the muscles of your face soften. Release tension in your jaw and drop your shoulders. Imagine your body sinking a little deeper into calmness with each exhale, and allow this atmosphere to become your sanctuary for rest. We now bring attention to the neck and shoulders, areas where tension often settles throughout the day. Sit comfortably or lie down in a relaxed position. Begin with slow shoulder circles, rolling them forward with ease, then gently backward, noticing any tightness without trying to change it. Allow the movement to remain fluid and unforced. Slowly tilt your head to the right, bringing the ear toward the shoulder, holding this position for 5 calm breaths. Then return to center and repeat on the left side. Turn your head slowly from side to side as if saying no, keeping the motion soft and deliberate. Interlace your fingers behind your neck. Lift the elbows slightly and open the chest with a deep inhale. Then exhale fully, allowing the muscles to soften. Imagine the weight of the day flowing out through your shoulders and arms with each breath. Continue moving gently, respecting your limits, and feel relaxation spreading gradually through your upper body, creating space, ease, and comfort. We now invite gentle movement into the upper body, while allowing the breath to guide each motion. Sit or stand comfortably with your spine tall and relaxed. Begin with slow cat-cow movements, inhaling as the chest opens and the spine lengthens, exhaling as the back rounds softly, letting the head and shoulders relax forward. Move at a pace that feels soothing, never rushed. Slowly raise your arms overhead as you inhale, feeling a gentle lift through the body, then lower them with control as you exhale, releasing any effort. Add soft torso rotations by inhaling to prepare, then exhaling as you turn gently to the left, returning to center with the next breath, then rotating to the right. Place one hand on your abdomen and one on your chest, noticing how the belly expands with each inhale and softens with each exhale. Allow the breath to deepen naturally, filling the lungs fully before releasing. With each slow movement and each conscious breath, feel your nervous system settling, your thoughts becoming quieter, and your body receiving the clear message that the day is ending and rest is approaching. We now shift awareness to the lower body, inviting ease and gentle circulation into the hips, legs, and feet. Begin by stretching the calves and hamstrings slowly, using a strap or towel if that falls supportive, never forcing the movement. Allow the stretch to develop gradually as the breath remains steady and calm. Gently rotate your ankles in smooth circles, first in one direction, then the other, noticing warmth and mobility returning to the joints. Draw one knee towards your chest, wrapping your arms around the shin and holding for several deep breaths. Then release and repeat on the opposite side. Lie comfortably on your back with knees bent and feet resting on the floor, making small circular movements with the hips, slow and controlled, allowing tension to dissolve with each rotation. If it feels comfortable, fold forward gently while seated, exhaling as the torso moves toward the legs. Imagine a soothing warmth flowing through your lower body, relaxing muscles, easing joints, and releasing the accumulated weight of the day, leaving your legs feeling lighter, calmer, and ready for rest. Lie down in a comfortable position with your arms resting alongside your body and your legs slightly apart, allowing the surface beneath you to fully support your weight. Bring your attention to your toes and feet, noticing any sensations, temperature, or subtle tension, and gently invite them to soften. Slowly guide your awareness upward to the calves, knees, and thighs, breathing into each area and allowing the muscles to relax without effort. Continue toward the hips and lower back, sensing contact with the floor or mattress and releasing any holding. Move your attention to the abdomen, letting it rise and fall naturally with each breath, then to the chest, shoulders, and upper back, encouraging them to become heavy and at ease. Shift awareness to the neck, jaw, and face, smoothing the forehead, unclenching the jaw, and relaxing the muscles around the eyes. Visualize a gentle wave of warmth and calm traveling from your feet all the way to the crown of your head, dissolving any remaining tension as it moves. Rest in this full body awareness, breathing slowly and steadily, feeling your body settle, your thoughts quiet, and a deep sense of peaceful stillness begin to take over. We now introduce gentle stretches designed to support flexibility and nighttime comfort, allowing the body to settle more easily into rest. Begin seated or lying down, lifting one arm slowly overhead while leaning slightly to the opposite side, feeling a soft opening along the side of the body. Then return to center and switch sides, moving with ease and control. Add light seated spinal rotations, inhaling to lengthen the spine and exhaling as you twist gently, never forcing the movement, simply allowing natural mobility. Bring attention to the hips with small supported opening movements that feel comfortable and nourishing. Flex and extend the ankles slowly, then rotate the wrists with soft circular motions, encouraging fluidity in the joints. If it feels pleasant, lie down and place your legs up against a wall, letting gravity assist circulation while the lower back and legs release fully. Remain here for several slow breaths, noticing a sense of lightness and ease spreading through the body. Move slowly throughout, honoring your limits, appreciating the subtle release of stiffness, and allowing comfort and relaxation to deepen as your body prepares for sleep. We now turn our attention inward, allowing the mind to slow and settle as the body prepares for restful sleep. Begin with steady, mindful breathing, inhaling slowly through the nose for a count of 4, pausing briefly, then exhaling through the mouth for a count of 6, repeating this rhythm without effort. Reflect quietly on your day and bring to mind 3 simple positive moments, allowing yourself to feel appreciation for each one without analysis. Visualize a peaceful place that feels safe and comforting, such as a quiet beach, a calm forest, or a warm mountainside, and gently immerse yourself in the colors, sounds, and sensations of this environment. If it feels helpful, release lingering thoughts by writing a few lines in a journal, then set it aside. Enjoy a warm, caffeine-free drink if that brings comfort, and adjust pillows or blankets until your body feels fully supported. Settle into stillness, allowing your muscles to soften completely, acknowledging the efforts of the day with kindness. Let go of what no longer needs your attention. Breathe slowly and naturally, and allow yourself to drift peacefully toward deep, restorative sleep. As this evening routine comes to an end, allow yourself to remain in this peaceful state for as long as you need. There is nothing more to do and nowhere else to go. Your body knows how to rest, and your mind is learning to let go. Carry this sense of softness into your night, trusting that sleep will arrive naturally at its own rhythm. Thank yourself for taking this time, for listening to your body, and for choosing care and calm. If you wish, simply stay here, breathing slowly, drifting gently, and allowing rest to deepen as the night unfolds.